But how do we boost hydrochloric acid? Well, we have a bitter tea that we sell, and I'm going to give you the recipe, and this tea has healed many a low hydrochloric acid. It is 1 part dandelion. Dandelion is a bitter herb. We learnt about dandelion this morning in our herb lecture. 1 part gentian. Gentian is an incredibly bitter herb. 1 part licorice. And licorice is a herb that has an emollient, and that emollient helps to coat the stomach, and 1/2 part of a very expensive herb called golden seal. And golden seal has a nickname, and that nickname is King of Tonics to all mucous membranes. Dandelion, gentian, licorice and golden seal are all roots, and you need to boil roots. So the recipe, here's the recipe. So you buy these dried herbs and you put them all in a jar. You make up a whole jar. So the recipe is 1 teaspoon of this herb mix, we'll say herbs, and 1 teaspoon of ginger, fresh ginger. So the fresh ginger can be grated or it can be chopped into small pieces. 2 cups of water. And then that is a gentle simmer. So simmer for 10 minutes. The ginger certainly makes it more palatable because these 3 herbs are very bitter. And the ginger is a sweet bitter, and the licorice also is a little sweet. It makes it palatable. Some people, when I give them that tea, they think I'm killing them. And I said, there's one requirement when you drink this tea: smile. Here's the dose. So the dose is, once you've made the tea, dose is 1/3 of a cup, hot, just before the meal. So when you take the 1/3 of a cup of that tea hot just before the meal, the bitterness in the mouth gives messages to your brain to release more digestive enzymes. And when the hot hits the stomach, warming up the stomach, it also ensures a release of your digestive enzymes. In Psalm 104 verse 14, the Bible says God gave herbs for the service of man. And that's what these herbs do. They revive, restore and regenerate your gastric, stomach, digestion function. That's what they do. How long should you be on it? As long as it takes.